Hello all, welcome to Crackco's video series. Today I am here with 25 important polity questions that are helpful for your SSC CGL and CHSL examinations. Before getting into the video, I would like to explain you about the mock tests we are providing. We are providing latest pattern mock test series for both SSC CGL and CHSL examinations. We are also providing sectional and also full mocks along with 2 free mock tests for 199 each. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Now please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Let us see the first question now. Chief Ministers of States are the members of. Chief Ministers of the States are the members of National Development Council. The National Development Council is presided over by the Prime Minister of India and includes the Union Ministers and Chief Ministers. The word secular was added to the preamble of the Constitution of India by which constitutional amendment? It was added to the preamble of Constitution of India by 42nd Constitutional Amendment in the year 1976. Under which article of Constitution of India can the fundamental rights of the members of the armed force be specifically restricted? Under the Article 33 of the Constitution of India, the fundamental rights of the members of the armed force can be specifically restricted. Bureaucracy literally means a system of government by. It literally means a system of government by officials. It is a system of government in which most of the important decisions are taken by the officials rather than elected representatives. Who is the executive head of the state in India? President is the executive head of the state in India. The 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act is related to. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act is related to Panchayat Raj. A writ is issued by. A writ is issued by a high court. What is a writ? A writ is a form of written command in the name of a court or other legal authority to act. Article 17 of Indian Constitution deals with. Article 17 of Indian Constitution deals with abolition of untouchability. Which of the following categories of citizens of the prescribed age may be registered as a voter? Non-resident citizens may be registered as voters, but not bankrupts or the people who are convicted for certain crimes and mentally unsound people. These 3 category people cannot be registered as a voter. The maximum permissible gap between 2 sessions of a parliament is. The maximum permissible gap between 2 sessions of a parliament is 6 months. The preamble of Indian Constitution was for the first time amended by the. It was amended by the 42nd Amendment in the year 1976, which added 3 new words, that is socialist, secular and integrity. What is the implication of the central government granting special status to a state? Substantial large central assistance will be as grants in the aid, and also the extent of loan as percentage of total assistance will be low. These 2 are the implications of the central government granting special status to a state. Therefore, the answer is option D, both 1 and 2. Who decides if a particular bill is a money bill or not? Lok Sabha Speaker decides if a particular bill is a money bill or not. The Speaker of Lok Sabha certifies if a financial bill is a money bill or not. Fascism believes in the application of the principle of. It believes in the application of principle of totalitarianism. Fascism is a form of far-right authoritarian ultra-nationalism characterized by dictatorial power. Friends, Cracku is providing latest pattern mock tests for both SSC, CGL and CHSL examinations. We are providing sectional mocks and also full mocks along with 2 free mocks for both the mock tests. for rupees 199 each. Please do visit our website cracku.in and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Which among the following from the first cabinet of Independence of India was responsible for the mass religious conversion? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was responsible for the mass religious conversion. India has taken the concept of judicial review from which country's constitution? It has taken the concept of judicial review from United States. It has taken directive principles of state policy from Ireland constitution. It is Irish constitution. According to Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, which article is the most important article of Indian constitution? Article 32 is the most important article of Indian constitution, without which the constitution would be a nullity. What is the maximum limit for investment in a sovereign gold bond scheme by a trust per financial year? By a trust, it is 20 kgs. If it is by an individual, it is 4 kgs. The following person is not a member in the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly of India. Who is he? J.B. Kripalani is not the member of drafting committee of the Constitution of Assembly of India. Which part of the Constitution deals with the responsibility of following the ideals of Indian freedom struggle? Fundamental duties deals with the responsibility of following the ideals of Indian freedom struggle. The power to grant pardons or suspend or remit the sentence of a convicted person is vested in the President. Which part of the Indian Constitution deals with the amendment of the Constitution? Part 20 of the Indian Constitution deals with the amendment of Constitution. When was the National Statistical Commission set up? It was set up in June 2005. Which country's constitution is the world's longest constitution? India's constitution is the world's longest constitution, and Monaco's constitution is smallest constitution. The main feature of a federal state is decentralization. Hope these questions are useful for you. Hope you like the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. And also, if you have any queries regarding the video or any suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.